is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple.
Hi guys, today I'm here with another wig review, and this unit is from Amazon, and these are all the goodies that came along with the unit. I'll go ahead and open the package so you can see how the unit is looking straight from the pack.
To survive, and I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in
This is like any other unit with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and two combs in the middle. And this is how the lace is looking. And this is a 13 by 6, 30-inch deep wave unit.
heart forever, my girl, in her eyes. Take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces.
Now I'm gonna put the unit on so you can see how it looks on my head before I go in and do the customization. And the cap size is average. It fits my head nicely, but remember you have the adjustable strap at the back so you can adjust it to your own liking. This is how the unit looks at the back. And yeah, it's nice and fluffy, you all.
Charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love.
This is just my method of customizing the unit. Just take all the hair out of the way, put it in a ponytail, and remove the excess lace. Then I go in and just cut the lace in three so it is easier for me to work with.
She is my heart forever, my girl, in her eyes. Take me.
Today I'll be using the Got to Be gel and the Got to Be glue to lay the wig. And you can use whatever you want to use to lay the lace. The goal is just to have the lace melting. And if you don't want to go in with no glue or nothing and you want to wear it glueless, that is also acceptable. I'm making sure the glue is dry before I lay down the lace, because
Baby, I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd go a thousand to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. A thousand walls to collapse there in baby there. To the sun and back, in a thousand walls to collapse. Don't let me die with you, baby. With you, baby. I'm dying with you, baby. A thousand walls to collapse there in her arms. My baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me. Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines. Fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms. Because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me. Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. Baby, I go to the sun.
And here I am with the finished look, guys. I am in love with this 30-inch deep wave unit. It is full, nice, and bouncy. You all can tell me this hair isn't growing from my scalp. Yeah, it is. So, guys, yeah, I definitely would recommend this unit. I experienced minimal shedding, no tangling at all. Look at this unit. Look at the bounce, you all. Look at the curl. As I said, you can't tell me this is growing from my scalp. I'll leave the link to this unit in the description, so if you're interested, you can go and check it out. As always, I do appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.